Hello students, today I am discussing the pair of linear equation MCQs. So before I want to start the MCQs, I would like to say something here about your coming exam. Hope you people are doing well in the preparation. So even the Karnataka government has given the MCQs pattern paper. What I have seen here, the questions are not so easy. It is difficult to score A plus at this stage, that is you are out of school now, not in contact with the teachers, so everything you have studied, most of the time, most of the chapters you have completed online. So it, according to me, when I look at the paper, the pattern, MCQs are not so easy, so you need the practice more and more. It is not just, I want to say here one more thing, it is not just go through the MCQs from different sources. So with my experience, I would like to say that it is better to practice lesson wise. After completing the lesson or the chapter, you have to follow the MCQs from the different sources, so that you will be able to solve the MCQs without making mistakes and score well. Okay, scoring and passing is secondary because you all are passed. The only thing is to score well, get confidence. For that one you have to prepare. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವು ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಲೆಸನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಅದ ಸ್ಕೋರಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೋ ಈಸಿ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಸೇಡ್. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಇವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ಏಕಲವ್ಯನಾಗಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಲಾಕತ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು, ಹೌದಾ? You are away from your teachers. Okay, so it is very difficult. I can understand your situation. You are passing through a very difficult time. Okay, no way, but work hard. So I am trying my level best to give the MCQs, not only the MCQs. So at the same time explaining you the way in which we have to solve and select the correct answers and how to clear the confusions. So follow all my videos. I will try to make more and more videos on each and every lesson and practice well, so that you can score good marks. Work hard, that is the only solution. It is not just taking the marks, this one you are already passed. Okay, that is no issue. But see how very difficult time for you people now, I can say that one. When I gone through the paper, okay, ನನಗೆ ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತದ ಬೆಟರ್ MCQs ಇಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಇಟ್ಟರೆ ಬೆಟರ್ ಈಸಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತದ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ MCQs ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ MCQs ಇದಾವೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅವು ಅಂಟಿಲ್ ಅನ್ಲೆಸ್ ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋ ತನಕ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ನು ಭಾಳ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಪೇಪರ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಿಲ್ಲ, ಐ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಸೊ. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸೊ ಈಸಿ. ಸೊ ವರ್ಕ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್, ಸೊ ಡೂ ಬೆಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ okay, subscribe the channel. I want to say because I am specially taking MCQs for Karnataka government patterns. So ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಹೋಪ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಹಾರ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಲೆಸನ್, ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಹಿಯರ್ you are asked the equation. Okay, what the question is, the linear equations for, see you will get these questions. I have selected very simple questions. Similar questions you select from the textbook and practice. Okay, only for reference you follow the method. I am telling you selected types, what type of examples you are going to get. Okay, most likely you can say. So the question is the linear equations for, you have to form linear equation. The question is something like this one. You are given 5 pencils and 7 pens. They are asking they ask you to form the equation. What I am saying here, 5 pencils and 7 pens. These are pencils and these are number of pens, 7 pens and 5 pencils. They cost together means, okay, this and this one together makes how much it is, that it cost 50 rupees. Okay, then what it is said, 7 pencils and 5 pens. See here, very confusing if you make little mistake, because it is MCQs. No way, no steps, nothing. You are not going to get any mark for the step. You must get the final answer correct. Okay, understanding what I am saying here? So listen well and try to solve the sums without making without making mistakes only. Okay, no way, you have to look at this one. And they told you to find what? Okay, you are asked to for pencil, use X, and for pen they asked you to use symbol Y. Okay, variable, you can say variable X for pencil and variable Y for pen. Okay, 5 pencil and 7 pens. So when you do the work, so all the work, that is rough work, calculation, specimen paper is very small, so go with the pencil. Afterwards you can erase and so on in that place. So 5 pencil means you write here only X, and so that you can avoid the confusions. 7 pencil means once again this is X and this is Y. So together you write 5X. Such tricks I am giving you so that you will not make mistakes. Okay, you can avoid the mistakes what happens in solving. So this is 7X plus 5Y is equal to 46. This is very simple. Layout, this one I can see. This is layout of the question, analyzing the question and the proper way how to solve this one. 5 pencils, that is X, and like this one you have to write. You little time for maths, more time for maths. Okay, little more time for maths. Now look at this one. 5X plus 7Y is equal to, this is our correct answer. Now we move to the what options. See what confusions we will observe here. 5X plus 7Y, where we find this one? Here, is it? Immediately don't take the option, go through the things related to it. The first condition satisfies here, it's okay. Whatever the second condition, it's also satisfied. Of course you are correct. Now you can tick. But sometimes in a hurry what we do, confusion agutta, idunu inkottalla idunu irbodu, something like that, we will get a thought. See here, idilida 5X plus 7Y 46, the 50, the reverse idu. So this is 46 and this is 50. This way it is given. So be careful with this right side also. And here reverse of that one, 5 pens and pencil this way, 50 and 46 correct idava. But this one pen idale, pencil pen ada, idu ನೀವು ಏನಾದರೂ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, 4 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ 3 ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ನೀವು ಹರಿಗಳ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡೂ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ಸೊ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಗೋ ಥ್ರೂ ದ ಲೆಸನ್. ಬರೀ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಸೋರ್ಸಿಂದ MCQs ಅನ್ನು ಲರ್ನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಎಕ್ಸರ್ಸೈಸ್ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, now this is the correct option of the first one. So until and unless solve, you are not going to get the maths MCQs. Okay, now the second one, look at this one. I selected only few questions. Okay, in the coming days I will select and give more and more problems from different lessons. Okay, the second question is you are given two equations. The first equation is 5x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0, and another one you are given 7x plus 6y minus 9 equals to 0. You are given these two pair of linear equations. So look at the question, what I told you. These are pair of equations, and you have asked whether these will present when you draw these equations graphically, whether you have intersect these two lines intersected point, or you have these lines as parallel lines or coincident line like this one. In the previous session I explained very well about this coincident intersecting on all that one. Now look at this one. For comparing that one, to know whether the line is intersect on all these conditions, what we go through, we go with A1 upon the ratios, B1 upon B2 and C1 upon C2. See, follow what I am saying here. You don't write immediately is equal to ಏನು ಬರಿಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. A1 A2 B1 ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು 1 below 1 ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ. B1 upon B2 ಹರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ, C1 upon C2. ಓಕೆ, ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ A1, write in short A1 B1 C1. See your children, ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಹುಡುಗರು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ. and ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ B1 B2 ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂಜಿಕೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಅಂಜಿಕೆ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲಿ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅಫ್ರೇಡ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಎನ್ವಿರಾನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಅಫ್ರೇಡ್ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ದೇ won't get afraid of the situation. Boys will get disturbed. Okay, girls have more confident than the boys. So better have confidence, children, and don't get confused. Okay, this is A1, this is B1, and this is C1. How to remember? A, B, C. Okay, so this is A2, B2, and C2. Understood? Now A1 upon A2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ 5 upon 7 children. Look at this one. ಏನು ನೀವು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಡ್ರಿ ಇದು 4 ಅದಲ್ಲ -4/6 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಮೊದಲು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಬರೀ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ನ ದೆನ್ ಇದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 8 upon -9 ಬರೀರಿ ಮರಳಿ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಓಕೆ ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಇದು ನೋ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಹಿಯರ್ 2 2s are 2 3s are this is -2/3 ಹೌದಾ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದು -8/9 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ see 1 upon -2 is same as -1 upon 2 so here we are getting -8 upon 9 ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಯಾವುದೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಓಕೆ so what we go with that first one this one is not equal that is A1 upon A2 is not equal to B1 upon B2 is more than enough to say the lines are intersecting at a point ಹೌದಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ಯಾರಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಅದಕ್ಕೇನು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅದ ತಲೆ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡ್ರಿ ಇದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೊ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಹೌದಾ ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈಸಿಲಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಓಕೆ ಬಟ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಥಿಯರಾಟಿಕಲ್ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಫುಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಈಸಿಲಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅವಾಯ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಓಕೆ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಜಾರು ಅನ್ನಿಸ್ತಿರ್ಬೋದು ಬಟ್ ಸಿ at this time it is my duty and it is my concern you can say have confidence and do well okay now look at this one you have the third one what condition you are given here same thing on comparing ratios that is A1 upon and A2 something like that one the equations you are given once again the same thing here you will be given like this one the equations are 3x plus 2y here is equal to 5 I have selected the same question but see the difference okay whether they are consistent inconsistent intersecting and both ends something like this one question ಈ question ಗೆ previous question ಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದು A1 ಇದು B1 but this is not C1 remember this one ಹೌದಾ ತಿಳಿಕತ್ತದ ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ವರ್ಡ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಓಕೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇದು ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸೈನ್ ಅದು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಅವಾಗ ನಮ್ದು A1 B1 C1 ಆಗ್ತಾವೆ ಇವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ ಹೌದಾ ಸೊ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸಾರಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 5 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 7 ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ ತೊಗೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡ್ರಿ ಇದು C1 ಅಂತ ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರಿ ನಿಮ್ಮದು ರಫ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಇರ್ತಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ ಎರಡು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇದಾವಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಹೌದಾ ಈಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು C1 ಇದು C2 ಓಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದಾವ ನೋ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ -7 ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಟ್ರು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ದು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿತ್ತು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ರಾಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಡೂ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ದೆನ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಈಸಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು C2 ಅದ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ A1 upon A2 ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೋದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 3/2 ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಬರಿಬೋದು -2/3 ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು 5/7 ಹೌದಾ ಹರಿಯೊಳಗೆ ಮತ್ತು ಒಂದ್ಸಗಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ 3/2 ಅವಸರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು 3/2 2/3 ನೋ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಫುಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಹೌದಾ ಸೊ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ consistent lines okay hope you people are understanding what I am explaining okay now I go to the next one see the question you have something like this one see the next question is you are given two equation x plus y equal to 14 and x minus y equal to 4 and you are asked the values of x and y the same question is given in your pattern paper today I observed but I taken this question before getting that pattern paper so here I have selected with my experience the most likely questions so look at this one here to find this x and value some students, what I have seen, observed here, 4 plus y they do and they put in this one and they go for the quadratic equation and it is very lengthy. You don't go with that one. So what is this one? When you look at this one, you can go with elimination method. This goes, okay, x plus x, no, that is not necessary of changing the sign because one is plus and one is minus. You are not changing the sign. It is not compulsory to change the sign. So when they have opposite sign, cancel. It becomes 2x. 14 plus 4, 18. ಹೌದಾ? x is equal to ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕಟ್ 2 1 9 9 ಬಂತು. ಹೌದಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. x 9 ಬಂತು. ಹೌದಾ? y is equal to ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ 14 minus 9 ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ x ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ minus x ಹಾಕೋದು. ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರೀದ್ರೆ ಲೆಂದಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಥಿಯರಿಟಿಕಲಿ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಬಹುದಿತ್ತು. This is y is equal to, yes, this is 5. The answer is 9 and 5. 9 is the value of x and 5 is the value of y. Okay, the correct option is this one. Very simple question, but at the same time proper method of solving is also important and selecting the short method. Okay, follow the videos till the end. So wherever it is possible, I will give you the shortcut methods. 8th one, very simple. The coordinate of 2 and the coordinates these lie in which quadrant? You know that one. One is plus and here these are plus and here it is minus plus. You have here both minus and here plus minus. You have. You know this is plus plus minus minus. Value ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ. Sign ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಇದು plus ಇದು minus. Plus and minus ಅಂದ್ರೆ last one. ಹೌದಿಲ್ಲ? So you are going to get here the correct option of this one is 4th quadrant. This is a very basic question. The last question I am discussing here, a little confusing here because it is based on the graph. Drawing graph is more easy than solving the question equation. So you are given equation 2x plus 3y is equal to 9. If it is the equation and you are given when x is equal to 3 and it may be like this one. The question they may ask this way, x and y. When x is equal to 3, what is the value of y? So this way it is given. Simple in the equation type ಇದೆ, but graphical ಅಂದ್ರೆ confusion ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನೋಡಿ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ MCQs ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಲ್ಲ, ಈ steps ಗೆ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಇವಾಗ x is equal to 3 ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ, ಹೌದಾ? ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ 2 into 3 ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ plus 3y ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 3y is equal to 9 minus 6. ಹೌದಾ? 2 3 are 6. ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ವೇ, y is equal to this is 3 and it comes down. ಹೌದಾ? ಅಥವಾ ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿ 3y ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ is equal to ಇದು 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು 3 ಇದು 3 ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ. So y is equal to it is 1. You understand, not 0. Okay, so y is 1. You may be given a table like this one 2 value and you may be asked to find this one, or you may be given the value of y and you may ask to find the value of x. So children, so these are the few questions, very few questions I have selected. So do well, practice more and more and wait for my next video. Have a nice time.